Hello, let's learn how to make a dice roll in Scratch. First of all, let's design our dice. Now let's make a square surface. Add a small black circle for the dice. Now change the costume name to 1. Now duplicate this costume. Let's put 2 circles in the second costume. Following the similar steps, let's make all the 6 costumes of the dice. Now, let's go to Events menu and drag when this sprite clicked block. Now, drag the repeat 10 times block. Now, drag the next costume block inside the repeat block. Let's try our code so far. The dice rolls. To make the rolling of the dice more random, let's drag a pick random block. Let's pick random number between 10 and 20. Let's try our code again. The dice rolls very fast. To make the rolling slow, let's drag the wait block inside the repeat block and replace the number 1 by 0.05. Let's try our code again. Rolling of the dice looks more realistic. Now let's drag on 15-degree block. Now drag a pick a random number block and write the number -10 to 10 instead of 0 to 10. Now let's drag change x by 10 and change y by 10 block. Again, drag pick random number block and put the number -10 to 10. Now, duplicate the pick random number block and place it inside change x by 10 and change y by 10 blocks. Join these two blocks and place it inside the repeat block. Now, let's try our code. The rolling of the dice looks more realistic.
Great!